Well, my work got canceled due to rain, and we really needed the rain. So I put everything outside last night before bed so it would all get rained on really nicely. And it looks like it did. Wow, look at the water in here. Whoopsie. Look at all the water. That's just from last night's rain. That's pretty crazy. The sequoias are loving it out here. The new sequoias. Yeah. Everything here seems to be fairly happy. I'm gonna have to open the trailer. I think my fig got too much sun. It did not like that repot. Hopefully it buds back out. Everything else seems okay. I've been too busy. I haven't been able to take any more trees out. Today I will though. Tamarack forest is looking good. This one's hurting a little bit, I think, because it gets too much sun here. But looks like it's gonna live. The other ones are. This is their second season in this box, and they seem to be pretty happy. This is their second flush. I might get a third flush. This one here lost all its leaves and everything, but it has a couple little green ones and there's buds all over the place, so I think it'll come back. Oh, my pit spruce, I love that tree. It's looking much happier than it's looked before. It's got new buds all over it. The dwarf Alberta spruce, we got sitting water in here. The holes must be plugged. I know I put holes in it, drainage holes. Oh, I'm gonna have to have a look. See if I can get in there without getting completely soaked. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put more holes in the pot. I'll do that with the wood burner. Oh, good thing I saw that. Yeah, it was draining before. Everything else looks pretty happy. You can see sunburn on everything. These ones are the lilacs, but you can see all the new buds popping out, and they'll get outdoor leaves. It's just because they leafed out inside the trailer. And you can see the new leaves on the birch. They look much healthier than the ones that came out inside the trailer. All the new trees are a little bit burnt, but they're getting there. The blue spruce love it out here. Oh, I'm gonna have to put drainage in them too. School bus. There's the school bus, but my daughter walks, so. Oh, these ones have no drainage. I completely forgot about that. We'll just tip them over here. There we go. Tip them over. And I'll put drainage in them later. Oh yeah, completely forgot these guys. We got a lot of rain. Oh my goodness, I bet you the pond is much higher now. I completely forgot about these guys. I was supposed to put them in the carport. Oops. I still don't think any of my pomegranates survived. I don't think I have a single survivor. If I do, they're very, very late bloomers. Some of them are still in the trailer. I have none leafing out. My wisteria's flowering. Little tiny flowers. But very stinky. They stink so good. My silver maples are looking real good. They're starting to get the maple-shaped leaves back. Yeah. Ah, the rain. I'm gonna have to open up the trailer and maybe do some outside stuff today. It's supposed to rain later this afternoon, but I'm gonna open up the carport. I'm gonna have to drain this area here too. Open up the carport and work in there, get some of those indoor trees out because they need to get out. And it's been too cold to have them out, so yeah. They're getting their love colors on. Isn't he cute? Unexpectedly, it started raining. Now I gotta go close everything up. Oh, my camper closed itself. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. Hopefully I'm not yelling at you guys too loudly. I gotta close everything up. Of course, the rain is angled toward the door. That's my kind of luck. Ooh. All right. There. That was wildly unexpected. We're supposed to have rain for another couple of days after this morning. But we need this rain. We certainly, most certainly do. I was supposed to be filming today, but I got distracted by a billion other things. Crazy. Yeah, I still need to bring some of the indoor trees out. And I can still do that in this weather. I just gotta run. Is that lightning? Well, I guess it was lightning. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Guess I'll go back in the house. This will be okay open. It's gonna smell like a wet dog in there now. Very cool. I love thunderstorms. Alright, that's it. Never rained all day long, and then all of a sudden, a couple hours ago, it starts up. Oh, there's blue sky over there. Look at it. The sun is shining way over there. But it's pouring rain here. Craziness. I wanted to do a bunch of stuff out here, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think the tree transfers and everything can probably wait. Closing everything up and then going to bed and getting ready for work tomorrow. Or getting ready for work tomorrow and then going to bed. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Huh. Look at that cloud. Isn't that insane? A big storm cloud out here. It's crazy. We need the rain, though. We definitely need the rain, so I can't complain about everything. These guys are very, very happy out here. Uh-oh. Another one got knocked over. I don't know who keeps knocking these over. I have the feeling that it's the critters here. Yeah. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Everybody will be happy. Yeah. But, yeah, no tree transfers today. I'm going to do them a different day. But, well, I guess I'm not doing anything out here. I'm going to close everything up. Jeez. Maybe I won't even close everything up. I'm going to have to run back in the house. Oh, man. I'm going to be stuck out here all night. But yeah, the sun's shining over there, so I guess that counts as partially cloudy. So the weather is technically correct. There's blue sky over there too. Look at that blue sky over there. Yes, partially cloudy. This is what partially cloudy looks like. Pretty crazy, eh, Gunner? Psst, psst. Gunner, is this crazy or what? Yeah, it's crazy, eh? Whoa, that was a really fast truck, eh? Yeah. Oh boy. Well, all night long it was major thunder showers, hard rain, and it was raining all morning. Now it's all cleared up. The sun is shining. It's beautiful out, and I can actually wear a t-shirt. It's that warm. Extremely humid, but warm enough for a t-shirt. So these guys are getting more and more sun every day. And they were out through the whole rainstorm. Those guys just love the water. They're just sitting in water there from the rain. So I'm gonna leave these guys out in the sun now. I think they'll be good. I still haven't put extra holes in the tree pot over here, so it is once again full of water. So that I'll have to do today. I just didn't have time to drag it out of there. So this one here, I'll have to put more holes. I thought the holes were sufficient that I put in there, but I guess not. These guys are still hanging in there. You can tell that they're regrowing roots and stuff. And their buds haven't, or candles haven't extended any more than since I collected them. I think my pit spruce is gonna go through a second flush, which is pretty cool. These guys are going on to a third flush. I really need to trim them. And this one is hanging in there. Yeah. Oh, what happened here? Unusual. Oh, that little perfect little droplet of water is still there. Isn't that cool? A little droplet of water just sitting there on the rosette. Too cool. Still there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to bring these guys back. And these guys here, I know they're top dominant, and you can tell that they're growing pretty good from the top, but look at the bottom growth. It's pretty much just as good. Oh, this one's getting shaded out. I'm gonna have to turn the whole planting around. I'll do that when I trim. Maybe this one will benefit from being at the back for a bit. And this one here, everything kind of dried out on it. It wasn't happy looking at all, but it's coming back now. The trunk and stuff kept its color and looked well, so I knew it wasn't dead. And it's coming back now, and you can see they're all budding back out and everything. So the spruce in the ground have done their candles are all out, and I picked all my spruce buds and whatnot. But the white pines are just extending now. So I have to go all the way around the house to show you that one. So my white pine way over there, you can see that they've extended out now, but the needles haven't popped out. That's where we're at with them. Yeah. Oh, it sure is nice out. So today I gotta open up my trailer, get the shop door open here, and start bringing more of the indoor trees outside. It hasn't been warm enough for them, especially at night. We're still going into single digits. We had a few nights of +8 Celsius and +6 Celsius last week, which we don't get a frost, but it's still quite cold. Right, Mutt? So we're gonna go and get ready for that now. Yes, indeed. Once again this year, there are hundreds of fireflies everywhere. Hoping the camera picks them up. The mosquitoes are bad too, oh my goodness. I don't know what's back there. Something's back there. So hundreds of fireflies. There's lots of bees this year. But we're not hearing the frogs yet. I'm not sure what happened in the marsh, but usually we hear thousands of frogs by now. And the only frogs that I've been seeing are those green frogs in my pond. I haven't seen any wood frogs at all. No spring peepers, nothing. Very unusual. I'm out by the pond. You can't even tell it's the pond. Yeah. Just beautiful. Except I'm getting all wet because I'm in the long grass. You can hear my little pond frog there. Of course, I come over to this side and all the fireflies go to the other side. Yeah, anyways, I thought I'd show you guys that. Something's on the highway. Yeah, I had to come over to the back area so that you could see the fireflies because the house lights came on. Seems like there's more on the front yard though. Yeah, that's it.